Hello friends, good evening. So today was December 15th and it was a expiry date for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see what has happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Bank Nifty has actually opened almost in the no trade zone which I marked in yesterday's video. It went inside the zone. It consolidated in this area for a very long time. And I already told in yesterday's video that if Bank Nifty is trading inside this box, you are not supposed to enter into a trade unless and until it comes out of it. So this is what happened almost at 11:30. Bank Nifty has came out of this box. It did a breakdown, but it was not giving a proper retracement. Okay, after that it went down. It reached the first target, which was 43,800. So in yesterday's video, I already mentioned that once it crossed the 44,000 level, and if there is a small retracement, you can go for a put option, and the target will be 43,800. And if this line is broken, you can find Bank Nifty coming down to 18,000, sorry, 43,700, and further down to 43,600. And the maximum level of downfall that I expected in Bank Nifty was not more than 43,500, which was having a highest support level as per yesterday's IO chart. But Bank Nifty has broken all the lows of today's trading. It was not supposed to go this much further down, but anyway, it is market. We have to expect the unexpected in the markets. And so this is what happened in Bank Nifty. So I did not trade in Bank Nifty today because I didn't get a chance, because once there was a retracement, proper retracement over here, I would have entered the trade. And I was not confident enough to enter a trade because it was not giving a proper retracement, and I was not having a correct stop loss level. So in case if I have to purchase it from here or here, wherever it is, I would have to keep a huge stop loss which is inside the risky zone, because this level I don't have a resistance level to keep my stop loss. So if there was a small retracement, I would have definitely entered a trade in Bank Nifty, but today that did not happen. And also the moments was very unpredictable. So again, it went with a very big red candle, not giving a retracement. Hence, there is no chance of entry here. And again, it went down with big red candles. So if anybody has taken a put option in Bank Nifty today, they would have made a huge profit. Same as in Nifty. Nifty also broken the lows of the trading today. It happened in such a manner that it was a drastic fall. See, Nifty opened in a gap down. It rallied up. It almost filled the gap today, and again it rallied towards the 18,600 level. Okay, with the red candle, with one single red candle, it crossed this level, and here it took a small retracement, even though it is not touching this 18,600 level. Okay, but I took some trades in Nifty today, and after that it has given a very huge fall. From there it is broken 18,500, and I was expecting Nifty not to go beyond 18,520. So I exited the trade almost at 18,520. But after the 215 candle, again Nifty showed huge momentum downwards. And actually I was expecting a reversal from here, because 18,500 was a very good support level in Nifty, and this downfall with this big red candle was never expected in Nifty today, and this is a drastic fall. So as per my video, if anybody has entered the trade for a put option from this particular point, must have made a huge profit, will be like more than 5,000 per lot, because Nifty was continuously falling down with huge red candles, only a minor retracement in some places, but still Nifty has given huge profits for people who are in put option today. So this is what happened in market. Okay, friends, let's jump into the top chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and let's see what is going to happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade. Okay, so these are some resistance and support lines that I have drawn. This is Nifty chart, but the thing is that Nifty is a little bit tricky for tomorrow because of a huge fall which happened today. We need to analyze too much into Nifty. So Nifty is going to be complicated. So just do not confuse with these lines that I have drawn. These red lines are called, I mentioned this red line as high resistance, and the green lines are high supports. and the white lines are the basic, the neutral points, and the yellow lines are the points of rejection in previous history. So these yellow lines in this particular points, price has reacted multiple times. So this is the lines that I have drawn. Okay, so first of all, what I have to do is I just draw a trend line from the last week, from high to low, almost touching multiple points at this particular trend line. So we keep this trend line as a reference. Okay, and there is also one more trend line which is coming from top to bottom, and meeting with multiple points of reactions where Nifty has reacted to the price. So these two lines are kept as a reference line. And after seeing into the OI chart, I have mentioned some important supports and resistance in Nifty. Okay, and that is how I got these green and red lines, and these are supposed to be high resistance. So the first thing I need to make note of is you can see this the toppest line, which is for 18,700, and this line is going to be a very big rejection zone if in case market goes a small gap up. Okay, and in any cases or any scenario, if you find price coming up to 18,700, there are high chance that this level will reject the market and push market downside, because in previous history you can see here there is rejection, here rejection, and there are see from yesterday's market also, the market is rejected, tried to break this point, but it failed, it went down, a drastic fall. From here there is a drastic fall, and again from here there is fall. So at multiple times, market has tried to break this line. So this portion the market has tried but failed to sustain over this area. But again, market has come down. So this is the high resistance area, and this is also one of the sentimental figures, 18,700, which can be treated as a high resistance point. So if you find Nifty trading and moving upwards 18,700, you can take a put option from here. Okay, so this is the first line I need to mark, but you have to wait for the price to maintain at least for 15 minutes. Okay, you have to wait for 15 minutes to price to maintain and respect this resistance level. Okay, so let's see what are our next levels. So next level is in case market is going for a gap down in the sense if it is going beyond this line and somewhere around below 18,350. Okay, so this is the high support line that we can expect in Nifty for tomorrow, which is 18,350-55 range. If market is trying to go for a gap down, okay, you have to find out chances for put option here, because this is going to be an important zone where price can react, and this is also a clear evidence that market will try to go down. So unless and until you find a confirmation, once this line is broken, taken support again, and if it is trying to reach, this will be our first resistance point, which is 18,400, which is the closing point of today's market. This will be the first resistance, and after this line is broken inside, which is 18,400 is broken inside, and it will rally towards the upside, but there are continuous resistance on the top, which are very high resistance. So this is what I have to say. So if there is a gap now, you find chances for put option and keep trading your asset. You can keep a small asset over here and go for a put option and keep trading your asset. And the first target will be 18,200. And if this line is broken, you can find 18,100 for tomorrow's trade. And in any cases, if you find the price is moving, maybe it is opening in a flat open, maybe a small gap up, and once this price is reacting in these lines and going upwards, you can try to have a call option, but with a strict SL, and keep trading, because the first target is very close, which is 18,500, which acted as a very important resistance, not resistance, support today, and it can react from this point. And if the line is broken, you have to keep trailing your SL to the upwards, and it may not cross 18,600. Okay, because there is high resistance over 18,700. 18,600 is also going to be a very good resistance for tomorrow. So this is what we have to do in Nifty, and it is a little bit tricky, but you can follow this trades. If the price is moving according to these levels, you can easily go into a trade, and always keep trading your assets once you enter the trade. And one more interesting thing I need to show you from today's chart in Nifty. Okay, so let me clear all this, otherwise tomorrow it will be a problem for me. Okay, so I'll just go, this is already a 50 minutes chart. Okay, so let's unzoom, and I'm trying to draw a fib level from this last week. Okay, so from the very low till the high, I'm just going to draw a fib level, and you can see very interestingly that the price has reacted exactly on the points that I have marked. 18,700, which is a 0.236, 0.382 is 18,600, which is also a good support point or resistance point, which is the next point is zero point 0.5 level, which is 18,500, and again you can see 0.618 level, which is 18,400, 419 level. It's almost identical to the lines that I have marked today, and these lines can be kept as a reference for upcoming trading if you see market is going upside, and this will meet and react at this particular points. Okay, so trade according to the price action for tomorrow. There can be risk because Nifty has fallen very extraordinarily. Okay, so now let's see what is going to happen in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, I'm just going into a 15 minutes chart. Okay, and in 15 minutes chart, I'm just going to draw a trend line. Okay, I'm just going to draw a trend line which is connecting these lines. Sorry, 1 second. Trend line. Okay, I'm just connecting these points in our trend line where the price has reacted multiple times. If you extend the trend line, you can see there are a lot of places where this trend line is met and taken rejection. See here, this trend line acted as a resistance, this as a support here, here support, 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 and here support. The market closed at this particular point today. So this is a very beautiful trend line, and also you can draw one more trend line on the top side. Okay, and also meeting multiple points of rejection. So after in any cases, if Bank Nifty is trading in between this, you can keep these both trend lines as a reference where price can react and go up, and if it is touching on top, it is going to come down. Okay, and I hope in tomorrow's trading, market will not go towards the up, because if it is going upside, we are not going to trade tomorrow. Okay, so I will explain. Let's mark some important support and resistance line in Bank Nifty. Okay, so in Bank Nifty, the first support zone I am going to mark is 43,000. Okay, 43,000. Let me draw a line which is an important support. 43,000. Okay, so tomorrow 43,000 is going to act as an important support. So let's zoom in. I'll go into a 5 minutes chart. 5 minutes chart, so you can understand very clearly. See here, the market has reacted multiple times at 43,000, and approximately it is not 43. You can make a small adjustment downwards, but still this area is going to be a reaction zone in case Bank Nifty is going to come towards this line. It can take rejection from here and go up, so you can go for a call option from this particular line. Okay, in case it is breaking down, you can try for a put option from here. Okay, and also I'm going to go mark some more lines for you after 43,000. This 43,000, the next support line is 43,500. I'm going to mark 43,500. Let me delete these lines. Okay, and one more line after 43,500. I can find 44,000, which is also an important resistance, also a small support over here. So this is mainly a resistance line. So I'm going to mark this line, which is going to be a very important resistance area, 44,000. Okay, so I'm going to mark this as red if you want to make sure this is important resistance line. And in any cases, market is going for a gap down for tomorrow. Okay, what happens is once it is going for a gap down, it is outside the trend line, the first thing. Okay, so you have to consider these two green lines, which is going to act as a support and resistance. So in case market is going down, you can take this as a very good support, and if it is going up, you can go for a call, and if it is breaking down and again going up, you can try to watch the market. It has to maintain at least for 15 minutes under this line, and if it is going down, you can go for a put option. And one more line I need to mark in this chart is 43,350. One second. 43,350, which is an important support. This is not a resistance line, it's almost like a support line. So I'm just going to mark this line, which is going to be an important support line. Okay, why? Because 43,350 has reacted at many point of time in the in the previous history, in a few days. See here, it has taken as an important support here. Here it has taken as an important resistance. Here it has reacted. This is a reaction area, this is a resistance area, and again here it is a support area for multiple times. And also for today, it has not crossed beyond this line. 43,350 is going to be an important support line. So even though if you find a market as opening a flat opening tomorrow, I suggest not to trade in this particular area. Once it is crossing above 43,000 and retracing, you can go for a call option. If it is crossing below this line, breaking and going up and taking a retracement, you can go for a put option. And the next green line will be your target, and keep trading your asset. If in case it is breaking this line, you can again consider continuing your trade. If you have taken the trade from here, you keep trading your asset. Okay, so this is what is going to happen tomorrow, and this is an important resistance line. If the market is going upwards, you can try to take a CE until this point. You don't have to wait until the target is met, but still you can keep trading your SL. And in case market is going beyond this line, I suggest do not trade for the day. 44,400 and above can be a risky trade for tomorrow. Okay, so this is all we have to do in Bank Nifty. And also make sure you consider this line, which is 43,800, as an important line, because this particular line has also reacted at multiple times as good support. You have to be alert when the price level comes to these particular lines. So I think you have a clear picture of what is going to happen tomorrow. So just mark these levels, which can help you enter into trades tomorrow. Okay, I'm just marking the levels here, this level and this level. Okay, so trade very carefully for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a weekend. Price can react in such a way that you will not expect this moment, but still there are high chance for making good money in tomorrow's market, because market is going to move with big candles. There will be high momentum in the market for tomorrow. There are possibilities for high momentum. Okay, so with that, let's close today's video, and hope everybody make good money out of tomorrow's market. And see you. Bye bye, India. And the final thing I have to tell you is that if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button on. Press the like button if you like my video. And if you have any questions, just comment it in our comment box. Also, there is a Telegram channel which I in live market I used to update a little bit informative tips, so that in market conditions you can get updated with the latest condition of the market. And also, if you want to open a new trading account, there are links which is mentioned in my description. You can always go click that link and open a trading account for free. Okay, so thank you. See you. Bye bye.